Okay, so according to the sign, as long as you don't cross the fence, you're not in a restricted area. Well, that's the end of the road, boys and girls. We're not going to be able to get any closer. Just this chain right here. The F117 is sitting right there, and I can't get any closer to it. You have to understand, I'm not much of a fangirl. Like, celebrities don't do anything for me. But seeing that airplane in person, and I'm literally gonna go try to find somebody that can maybe get me back there for 2 seconds to get some photos. I'm like fangirling over an airplane. Holy mackerel. It's just right there, like on the other side of this wash. Stupid restricted zones. Let's see if I can get somebody's attention. Like, not security. Joking. It's right there. You can see in the camera, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh. Well, I will tell you, the staff out here is pretty good with restricted areas. They're really cool about it. They won't take bribes, and you cannot go across those lines. They're friendly lines on this side, but don't go across the other side because he said they're not so friendly on that side. So we got what we got, and shoot, so close.